Windows 10 and then click on Windows 11 system. My processor is not meet. Are you curious that is it your laptop can upgrade to Windows 11? And also curious that what is your version of your Windows? So you can go to control panel and check system. Then from here, you can see all your system information. Okay, scroll down, then you can see this Windows 10. Okay, now you know your Windows OS version is Windows 10. So the next step is download PC Health Check to confirm and see is it your laptop system, is it meet the requirement of Windows 11. And then click on this Windows 11 specs and computer requirement. Can you see that? Support for Windows 10 and on 14 October 2025. Click on this PC Health Check and then go to download it. Okay, run this program, install this program. If the PC Health Check is not popped up, click here. Okay, now this is the time we click check now. Next, check if the PC meet the system requirement. If it does, you can get the free upgrade when it's available. Click check now to get the result. Oh no, this PC doesn't currently meet Windows 11 system requirement. So bad. Okay, no choice. Nothing I can do. Anyway, say that check to see if there is thing you can do. And if not, you will keep getting Windows 10 update. My processor is not meet the requirement. See your result. Yeah, everything is okay except processor. Never mind. Then I go to check for update. I update the latest Windows update. Okay, see you. Bye bye.